Hello students, just want to introduce you to a project we're going to be doing that is not due for a while, but I want you to start thinking about it. The project is going to be on bioethics, uh, which is the process in which we kind of figure out what we think is right and wrong when it comes to applying science. And we're going to be focusing on genetics. I have put together a slideshow for you. We're going to be focusing on criterion D, in which you discuss and analyze implications of using science and its applications in solving a specific problem or issue. And what you're going to do is go through and look at some examples of some scientific questions that don't have a clear answer. We're eventually, at the end of the unit, going to be participating in an activity called philosophical chairs. This is something that you did in Texas history, and I thought it was applicable to science as well. So what you're going to do, once you are finished uploading your summative, is kind of scroll through some of the different topics that deal with genetics. And it's important that you jot down some notes. You can open up a Google Doc if that's what works best for you, where you can jot down notes on a piece of paper, just so you get some ideas of different topics that are out there, because you're going to need to choose one in which to debate. So today is really about research, about seeing what's out there for you to choose from. At any rate, like I said, this is not going to be due for quite a while, but I wanted you to give the opportunity to explore some of the topics that are available to you. So have fun with this. It's always interesting to kind of think a little deeper as to what's right and what's wrong, and who should decide how scientific discoveries and progress should be used, because it's not as simple as you might think. So at any rate, I hope you find at least one of these topics interesting. And if you want to explore one even deeper, you may use one of the school databases or look for reliable sources online. I can't wait to see what you come up with and how you back your ideas with information that you find out there, and not just based on emotion. Okay, have a good day, and I should be back soon. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for the amazing card. It was so sweet. I miss you. Thank you.